let us consider this problem. If secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P, this is given. Show that secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. And you have to find out the values of cos theta and sin theta. So this is the question. Now, what is given here? Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Okay, secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. Now, here we had to apply the equation 1 plus tan squared theta is equal to secant squared theta. Okay, 1 plus tan squared theta is equal to secant squared theta. Now we can bring this tan squared to the RHS. Therefore, secant squared theta minus tan squared theta is equal to 1. So we can make use of this equation. Let us write here. So secant squared theta minus tan squared theta is equal to 1. This is nothing but a squared minus b squared. So we know the algebraic identity, a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Therefore, we can apply the same equation here, that then secant theta plus tan theta, okay, into secant theta minus tan theta, okay, that is equal to 1. So it is given secant theta plus tan theta P. So we can replace this by P. So P into secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1. Therefore, we can bring this P to the RHS, to the denominator. So secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. So that is the proof. Are you able to follow? Okay, so hence the proof. Hence the proof. Okay, so LHS is equal to RHS, hence the proof. Okay, right. Now the problem is not completely solved. They have asked further question as what is the other two functions, that is cos theta and sin theta. So for which we can make use of these two equations. One is given, that is secant plus tan is equal to P. The other one is we have found out, and that is the proof, secant theta minus tan theta. By adding these two equations, we can get a suitable form, is it not? So let me consider this as equation 2. Okay, and what about the first one? It is given here, right? So this is equation number 1. Let us add equation number 1 and 2 so that the tan theta can be eliminated, is it not? So let us add equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. So what is equation 1? Secant theta plus tan theta is equal to P. And what is the second equation? Secant theta minus tan theta is equal to 1 by P. So we can add these two. So this will be eliminated. Okay. So plus theta minus tan theta, plus tan theta minus tan theta is removed here. So we have 2 secant theta is equal to P plus 1 by P. Okay, now we can take an LCM, is it not? Therefore, P divided by, what is that? That is P squared plus 1. So this is 2 secant theta. Okay, now what we had to do, we are interested to find out cos theta, is it not? So you can bring this. First find out secant theta, that is nothing but P squared plus 1 divided by 2P. Okay, therefore what is cos theta, which is nothing but reciprocal of 1 by secant theta, because secant theta is 1 by cos theta, so cos theta is 1 by secant theta, is it not? So cos theta, that is nothing but 1 by secant theta, therefore we can reciprocate this, so 2p divided by p squared plus 1. Do you understand? Now we need to find out sine theta, because it is asked as sine theta. Okay, so we know sine theta is equal to, so this is the third answer, third equation. Sine theta is equal to the whole square root of 1 minus cos squared theta. Therefore, the whole square root of 1 minus, instead of cos you can put this one, is it not? So 2p divided by p squared plus 1. Okay, this is whole squared fully. Okay, then now we can further expand it, that is equal to the whole square root of 1 minus 4p squared, is it not? P squared, this is 4p squared divided by p squared plus 1 whole squared. Okay, p squared plus 1 whole squared, that is equal to sine theta. Now sine theta is equal to the whole square root of, you can take LCM, so p squared plus 1 the whole squared is the LCM, whole divided by, now here you take the LCM, so cross multiply, so p squared plus 1 whole squared, okay, minus 4p squared. Okay, right, go step by step, don't expand the denominator, always denominator should be left as factors only. Okay, now let us expand, so p squared whole squared p power 4, and then plus, what about this 1 squared 1, and then 2ab, is it not? So 2p squared minus 4p squared whole divided by p squared plus 1 whole squared. Okay, now let us further proceed, that is equal to p power 4, 2p squared minus 4p squared minus 2p squared, you can put minus 2p squared plus what, 1, is it not? So whole divided by p squared plus 1 whole squared. Okay, now how we can go about, this is nothing but we can rewrite this p squared p power 4 as p squared whole squared minus 2p squared plus 1 whole divided by p squared plus 1 the whole squared. Okay, now which is in the form of a squared minus 2ab, is it not? So this p squared should be converted as, or otherwise if you want to make it further easy, take p squared as, you can put x. Okay, now substitute this p squared whole squared, let us take the numerator only. Okay, so p squared whole squared minus 2p squared, plus 1 is equal to, put x. So p squared is x. So x squared minus 2x, is it not? Plus 1, which is nothing but when we factorize it becomes x minus 1 the whole squared. Is it not? You just expand it, a minus b whole squared, you will get this. So x minus 1. What we are taken as x, that is nothing but p squared. So you can replace this by p squared minus 1 whole squared. Okay, is it clear? Now we can put p squared minus what? The, take down. So sine theta is equal to the whole square root of, you can put p squared minus 1 the whole squared, whole divided by p squared plus 1 the whole squared. Is it not? Now taking square root, the square can be cancelled. Therefore, sine theta is equal to, squares are cancelled because we are taking out the square root. So simply write p squared minus 1 divided by p squared plus 1. So that is the answer. Okay, so what are the answers? You have to write down everything very neatly. What is the first answer? We have proved the first answer. Okay, apart from that, cos theta, sin theta. So what is cos theta? Cos theta is 2p by p squared plus 1. So you please rewrite this answer. So the first question is LHS is equal to RHS, that is the proof. Then second is cos theta is equal to, so what is that cos theta? Cos theta is equal to 2p by p squared plus 1. So 2p by p squared plus 1. What is sin theta? Next answer, sin theta is equal to, so p squared minus 1 divided by p squared plus 1. Okay, so this is the set of answer. So the presentation of answer is very important. You understand?